Another day in the market, man. Got another week to knock down. Let's go ahead and get to it. You see today, the market is green. I thought it was actually going to be red because of that the Israel and the Iran war. I thought gas and stuff might have would have went up on the strike. Economy would have went down, but we're gonna see. But I really thought it was gonna be a market sell off today. But I guess they're pricing this stuff in. Anyway, y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos. Let's go on and get this trade in, get this Monday on the road. All right. Gonna start off with a stock that you can trade in this brokerage account. I'm gonna go with OXLC. Came down below the $4.20 range. It's a closing fund, pays 9 cents a share a month. You can see right there trading at $4.20. That's what I'm going in at for that juicy dividend. We're gonna go with Fiat. If Fiat is down, that means Coinbase is up. And CONY, the yield max ETF, Coney is up. Brought 5 shares of this today at $5 in another portfolio, but being that it's down, we're going to get some of this also. I'm going to get my 100 shares, but I'm a dollar cost average on into it. SVOL, I brought some of this in another portfolio. I don't know your average cost on this, but good price to you to buy in at. I'm just cashing up right now in this one. If it goes below my average cost, I buy. I don't want to be over heavy in two different portfolios. PetMed Express, y'all stay out of this one. It's a swing trade that I'm doing to trade myself up out of this. Probably be holding this for a while till this market get better, but it's fine. I'm going to mix it with them dividend payers. But when it touch that $4 mark, I will be selling all these stocks I'm buying, rinse and repeat. Ticker KHC, Kraft Heinz. This one also down today. Bringing down my average cost on this one. You know, this is a buy and hold stock. Might make my exit out of this one also. I'm in a different frame of mind now. I know the economy in the world is changing. These businesses, these blue chip companies dealing with the economy not going to be the same in the future. So I'm investing in a lot of monthly paying ETFs. I'm doing cash flow. Let me go ahead and get me a couple shares of this one here also. Get my 25 shares. When it's right at that $30 mark, I'm gonna be selling, taking profits in case it pull on back. That's OPI, Office REIT. Y'all stay out of that one. But I'm gonna give y'all the 4. I'm gonna target, and I'm gonna let you know when I get to it. OXSQ, 3.5 cents a share a month. Down to $2.25 today. I'm definitely taking advantage of this one. At these prices, this can be a nice swing trade. Also, GPMT, Granite Point Mortgage. Another one y'all stay out of, man. I'm going to trade myself out of this one too. Like I said, I'm going to operate a little lean on the REITs. And check out this 52-week low again. 161. It's got some room to come down. So just get 2. Took a FLO, Flowers Foods, is getting beat up. For y'all that's overweight in this, or not overweight, but getting your butt whipped, nice time the dollar cost average on down. You got 71.4 cents as a whole, 52-week high of $23.87, $15.84 low, 3.36 market cap, dividend yield 6.01%. So going to get some more of that in my portfolio. We'll be making an exit out of that one too, like I mentioned before. I'm getting out of the food industry. Like I say, that's getting whooped, banned all the way around, from Wendy's to McDonald's to everywhere. That food sector is volatile, so I'm gonna be making my exit out of that. HRZN, 11 cent a share a month. Still my accumulating that. I already got my 1,000 shares. Basically, I'm just knocking down my average cost. Once I get up in this play and this takes off, I'm gonna make that exit. What I'm gonna trade it for, dividend yield 17.53% right now, which is probably unsustainable. So enjoy it now while it lasts. Usually when it's trading around the $10, $11 mark, you got a dividend yield about 11.8, 12%. So I'm gonna make a swap that out for RYLD or QYLD, one of them that's less volatile. And it's an option paying ETF. So that's what I ride with some dependable dividends. MSTY right now, just adding to this slowly, not gonna get a lot. It's under $22 underneath my average cost, but I like it a little lower. That's why I'm just throwing $2 at it. Don't know if this is gonna take off or not. The market, you can't time it. Got Wendy's. $5 worth for this. See if this gonna bounce back. Wendy's just paid a dividend. Right here at 14 cents a share, so they have reduced their dividend. It's gonna reinvest back into the company. I know it paid. Matter of fact, I can show you here. Let me go back to that. My bad. Let me work the app. Hold on 1 second. Y'all bear with me. I can show you right here. History show all types. Go to dividends. You can see what it paid out. See, it paid 25 cents a share before, so they reduced it from 25 cents to 14 cents. Yep. So that's what happened with companies, man. When people start selling, that price go down, that dividend will get reduced. We're gonna see how that's gonna play out. That's why I'm switching investing in like to ETFs now versus single stocks, especially in the REIT, the food, and the BDC sector. You got too many option ETFs going on now. Some of them volatile too. Just got to know which ones to buy. PFLT, 10 cents a share a month. Out down the average cost on this one too. All right, these are ones I'm exchanging for. I'm looking at for the long term. These are ones that I personally like. Remember, I said I like QYLD. Trading at $17 and under. It's getting $3 worth. That's gonna go back up. I also like I think y'all already know. If y'all follow me on my trades and watch everything, I like RYLD. Paying I like this at 16 and under. QYLD 17 and under. But preferably $17.30 and under. You can start nibbling. And I like XYLD. QYLD option cover calls on the NASDAQ 100. RYLD the Russell 2000. XYLD does S&P 500. So that's what I'm looking at. And when this one come down, I like this one all those. I like them Global X funds, man. SDIV. Trading at the $22 range now. I lowered my average cost from 27. When it goes back down, I'll buy more. But that's another one I like. And I might chill, right? Well, I can't say chill on QYLD, XYLD, and RYLD because once XYLD goes to $40, I like that 40 and under. But I think my average cost at like 39, 38 cents. Once it passes that, I'm going to chill. XYLD, well, QYLD, I like it 17 and under. I'm going to nibble at that every time I hit that mark. And like I say, RYLD, long as it's below the the $16 mark. I'm always nibble at that. Let's go check out traps, man. Good thing is getting green so you can cash up kind of. Really look at those dividends. PSEC. Also one on a swing trade, 327. One thing I noticed, man, like I say, these BDCs and these REITs, you get paid for holding shares. I get it, which is good, but get 2 shares a day. I'm also start swinging it, man, like scalping profits. Like I say, they starting to get real volatile dealing with the economy, man. So it is what it is on that end. Verizon, I got a good foundation there, man, so I don't really need to bother with that. Comcast, another one I'm probably gonna X out of. Like right now, I'm doing cash flows. Other plays I go at for the growth, got PFLT, AQN, another one I'm gonna get out of. That's a utilities company though. That's for nice dividend growth stock. Butterfield Bank, I'm gonna get out some banks too. After interest rates get cut, GOGL, SBL, K2 half of me to buy, AFCG. It's another REIT I'm gonna make an exit out of. Just clean my portfolio up some, man. Like I say, everything ain't everything anymore. So you got to trade the market. The market you in, you the CEO of your portfolio, so you got to do what's best for it. USOI pulling on like this below $62. I love it if it go back to the $51, $52 mark, but the higher the price, the better the dividend. So just get $3 worth now, lowering my average cost. TLTL, but ain't gonna bother that. This one I thought about selling my position. This Hercules. I'm up. Dividend yield 8.9. I mean, that's fine, but just doing this another BDC. 3.15% market cap, 8.9 dividend. That's a nice dividend there though. But I could just put my money in QYLD, RYLD, and get me a higher dividend yield. So I'm gonna hold on to it for now just to see what happens. Go down and be one eye swing trade. But like I said, just trying to clean it up a little bit. Like I say, we already got the fiat. Put that at 498. Got some of that there. See how that's gonna do. That pay a monthly dividend out. Which one was? It was the Dow and DEA, DOW. $30.17. Buy that at these prices also. And that's it, y'all. Just gonna cash up. Green days or a short trade. Y'all stay safe out there. Signing off. Go get your money.